Cocker Spaniels, they run so wild. Their floppy ears, they make me smile. They wag their tails with so much grace. I'll cuddle them in my warm embrace. Friendly eyes, oh they melt my heart. They chase their tails like a work of art. Their fur so soft like a fluffy cloud. Cocker Spaniels, they make me proud. They're full of love, like a gentle breeze. Their playful nature brings me to ease. They're loyal friends, through thick and thin. Cocker spans, let the love begin. Friendly eyes, oh they melt my heart. They chase their tails like a work of art. Their fur so soft like a fluffy cloud. Cocker Spaniels, they make me proud.